Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about cosine 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sine a squared. So about this one, that's about s. We can put into number 2 multiply by s over 2, and capital A represent about s over 2, so we need to change by this one. And now I will put about s over 2 in here. Now we need to open the parenthesis of this one, and you got about negative number 1 plus 2 sine of s over 2 square. 1 minus 1, they cancel. Number 2 and number 2, they cancel. Next, I will multiply by s over number 4 on numerator and denominator. This one you got about s squared over 4. And we know that s squared over 4, that's about s over 2 to the power of 2. And now I will create about two limits in here. The first one, that's about s over 4. And the second one, that's about sine of s over 2 over of s over 2. Everything to the power of 2. And now we know that when s approaches to number 0 gone here, you got about 0. When s approaches to number 0 of this one, you got about number 1. So this one you got about 0. This one you got about number 1. And we have number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.